Today we're going to talk about the three major types of doubling. Those three types are hub doubling, machine doubling, and die deterioration doubling. Hub doubling is the most important. You will see that the numbers or letters or devices are raised and rounded. Misaligned hub engraves the defect into the working die. The doubling then is evident in every coin struck by that die. Of course, the icon that we have here is the 1955 Philadelphia double die obverse. Approximately 40,000 of that doubled die were struck. The mint caught 20,000, melted them, but 20 more thousand, up to 24,000, escaped into circulation. This is not an error. This is a variety. Hub doubling gives you a variety. Machine doubling is the most common. This occurs when the die moves or bounces during striking. That's why it's also called strike doubling. Unlike hub doubling, this is not associated with the hub, but the working die. The doubling is flat, shelf-like, and not raised. When you take a look at the 1969S machine doubling, you probably will need a microscope to see that. You will not need a microscope on most hub doubled dies. Microscopes make minor machine doubling look significant. It is not. The third type is die deterioration doubling. This happens because of an overused working die. The devices begin to erode. Metal flows into the worn areas. The doubling here is stretched. That's how you distinguish it from machine doubling. Also, the coin itself typically will be a weak strike. For more information on the 5 types of doubling, 2 are very insignificant, but you can investigate these yourself by going to the link provided below. Thank you, and please think about subscribing so that you can get the latest article via email as soon as we publish it. Thank you.